Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a TikTok filter in easy steps. And just go ahead and follow along with me, and I'll go ahead and jump to my laptop. So basically, you're gonna go ahead and open up your effect house. It's load. As you can see now, it's open, and you just need to click create new project. So once you create a new project, this is what you need to do. So you need to import all the assets that you want to use from your computer. These are my assets right here. I'm going to select it and insert it to my laptop. And as you can see, they're right here. And I want to add something to the background too. So I'll go ahead and I'll click here, post effect, and I'll click filter. Once I do that, I'll go ahead and select my filter lot. Once I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and here. And I'll select that. And as you can see, we got that color, and I'll go ahead and click right here, back to asset, and I'll click face. And this is where what I was talking about as well. And I'll click face. As you can see, I got face mesh on my face now. I'll go back up there and I'll click face pen, and I'll go up here, voices, textures, and I'll go ahead and insert. I'll scroll up and I'll go ahead and insert it, and I'll check. And boom, as you can see, it does fit. It does fit. This is right here. Actually pretty good. Besides, if you were working on TikTok filters, so you can expand this more on my phone. I just send it direct to my phone to the video. But anyway, I'll go ahead and upload this too. So now I can just click here, upload it, and right here is where I need to put the picture, and then I'll click there. I'll go ahead and click to my computer. As you can see, that's a different. Okay. And I just go ahead and select it, and I can go ahead and resize it. And I'll click apply, and I'll go ahead and select my domain, and I'll go ahead and select. I'm just going to call it heart cheeks. I'm just going to call it a heart, and then the hint will be show face. Just need to continue. I'm so sorry, my MacBook is just acting up. And after that, you can just go ahead and click right here where it says continue. And right here, you just need to select the category. It's right now put it in accent sphere. And you can go ahead and put in some of the hashtag too, like the trending hashtag, so people can get to see the features. So right here, you just need to put a comment on what the filter is. And right here, you just selected a video demo, and this video will not be published on TikTok. So just showing them how like basically an example of the video. And what I'll be doing all the time, I just select one video at a time, which is this one. Myself. Once you do that, just click submit. And boom. Alright, as you can see, that's my barcode, and I'll go ahead and scan it to my TikTok. Here's how you can scan it. You just need to go to your TikTok, and then you click on the right hand corner up there and just select your barcode. You try it again, because sometimes it crash, and boom, here is your filter, guys. As you can see, this is your filter. The color I put in the back is just good. I have a lot of effects in the work, and make sure to subscribe and thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on my Instagrams, and yeah, I'll catch you guys later.